Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Outlook and Microsoft Office 365 apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This ensures you're working with the most current version of your mailbox and that any updates can be properly applied to your active account. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. From here, look for the File tab and click on it. This tab is your gateway to all account settings and back-end configurations for Outlook, including important update options that keep your software running smoothly and securely. Once your File menu has opened, direct your attention to the bottom part of the menu. Here you'll see the Office account option. This section contains all the information about your Microsoft 365 subscription and software version. Under this section, you'll directly see the Update Options drop-down. Click on it to reveal the available update options for your Office suite. From the drop-down options, simply click on Update Now. As you can see, this updates Microsoft Office 365 and all other Office apps connected to your account. Once clicked, all you have to do is wait until the update is finished. The process usually takes just a few moments depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. The application will handle everything automatically, so there's no need for any additional input from you during this time. And that's it. You've successfully updated Outlook and all your Microsoft Office 365 apps to the latest version with all the newest features and security improvements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.